I'm worn and tired of every urge and war with self where shadows surge. For every storm desire brings, on every field my spirit swings.
When Satan leads my heart astray, how dark my character turns away. One wish fulfilled, the next appears, a chain of longing through the years.
What meaning does this life contain? I stand confused between the plains, but seeking God is always right. His path stands tall, his path is light.
When I find the straightened way, I walk for truth both night and day. Yet human still I slip again, of Adam's nature marked with stain.
I regret the wrongs of yesterday, a dervish asking grace today. My road is thorns, don't think I'm sly. I'm not a fox that walks awry.
Sin burns the heart with rust and pain, and leaves a dark corroding stain. Repent in tears and call with love, my heart regains its shining flame.
The beauty of the spirit grows in many hues, it comes and flows. And when I speak the merciful's name, my face is lit with heaven's flame.
O Lord, make me a servant true,
not lost in foreign ways of you.
Bora, what more is there to see?
In Pashto lives my ecstasy.